it dug deep enough. So, yeah, it was just a whole bunch of mud, and there's rock at the bottom that we're trying to get out. All of this side of posts here, you had to dig down through rock for at least 2 feet. So we got them all down and got the post set yesterday. We got us a nice pile of rocks over here that we got out with that coring bit. These are all just perfectly round donuts of rock, pretty much. It's got a bunch of mud on it, but that is just solid rock right there. So, coring bit does the trick, but it takes a while. Let's see if he's getting anything over here. Doesn't look like you got it. Try it again.
I heard it.
Yeah, I think it's loose down there. Still down there. Oh boy.
When I try going back and forth while I'm drilling.
Yeah, try it out a little bit.
Huh?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, it's just a mix of bunch of mud. We got to dump water in there. Cool the bit down. We're not drilling anymore. We're trying to just get that piece of rock out.
Exactly know what I'm doing. I'm trying.
Try it again. Try one more time.
Then what?
Then we get the sink a bolt in it and hook a chain to it, get it out. Because it's loose. I heard it fall down.
I heard it like 3 times. And it goes slow once.
I mean, might as well.
auger it out yet?
Well, because there's a bunch of mud on the top.
Should I do that?
Yeah, I might try that. Most of the time that could be a rock will stay in the auger and you get it out yourself. Because this time it's not doing it. So we'll probably drill a hole, sink the bolt in there, and hook a chain to it to get it out. I guess that's what it is. What it's like rock drilling. Never know.